Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have freebies, we have 60-cent drinks, we have glitches, we have sales, we have hidden penny items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I know that most of you already know Dollar General has been absolutely on fire this week with the deals. We've got new coupons, new glitches, freebies, run deals, plus the biggest penny list of the year with tons and tons and tons of hidden penny items. And now we kind of have to switch gears just a little bit because we have the Black Friday sales starting today at Dollar General. And you know your girl has you covered. I've already uploaded a bunch of videos going over all the details. So if you missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I know that a lot of us will be cooking Thanksgiving dinner today, so that would be the perfect time to get caught up on all the videos. I'm going to leave them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And don't forget that today on Thanksgiving, we have our Black Friday one-day only sale going on at Dollar General, which is going to bring us to our first deal. Now, this deal is a part of the 3-day sale, so you don't have to run out and pick this up today if you don't want to. But here we have the True Living totes. These are going to be on sale for just $5. You're saving $4.50, which is a fantastic deal. I mentioned these in yesterday's video, but I wanted to come back and give you guys a quick update. The blue totes and the gray totes are included in this sale, so you don't have to pick up the red totes unless you just want to. Now this next deal is also a part of the 3-day sale, which runs through Saturday, so we can include this in with our 5 off $25 scenarios. Here we have the Iams 3.3 pound bags of dog food. They are on sale, buy one get one free, so you're going to pay $10 for 2. But this deal gets even better because this DG cashback offer on the Iams dried dog food for $3 back popped back up on our accounts just yesterday, right after I uploaded that video. So with the DG Cash, we are getting back a total of $6. That's going to make our final price $4 for 2 bags, making those $2 each. All right, now we're going to move on into some weekly sales plus some coupon matchups. So here we have the Dr. Pepper 6-packs on sale, 3 for $8. And then we also have the Coca-Cola 6-packs on sale, 3 for $10. And then we also have the Dr. Pepper 12-packs on sale, 3 for $11, which is a definite stock up deal. And here's another stock up deal. We have the Folgers ground coffee 19.2 ounce cans. These are normally priced at $8.75, but they are on sale this week for $6.95. Plus we have a 75-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.25. Next up, we have the Jet Puffed Mini Marshmallows, normally priced at $1.55 each, but they are on sale this week, 2 for $2.50. Plus we have this 2 off 6 digital coupon, so if you want to pick up 5 bags, that's going to leave you paying $4.55 for 5. Or if you want to pick up 6 bags after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.55 for 6. Next up, we have the canned pumpkin on sale, 3 for $3, as well as the Clover Valley vegetables. They're on sale, 2 for $1. And then we also have the 32-ounce Clover Valley broths. These are on sale, 2 for $2, making those just $1 each. Next up, we have the 12-ounce Heinz Homestyle gravies. These are priced at $2.50, and we just received a new DG cashback offer for 75 cents back. So that's going to make your final price $1.75. Here's another great deal. We have the Kraft Deluxe Mac and Cheese. These are priced at $3.50, and we just received a $2 cashback offer on these, making your final price just $1.50. All right, now for this next deal, I cannot pronounce the name correctly, so I'm not even going to try. I'm just going to say ginger ale. You guys see the word on your screen. It starts with an S. Ginger ale, brisk, crush, and mug 2 liters. They're on sale, 5 for $5, making those $1 each, which is a fantastic deal all by itself. But on the ginger ale, we also have a cashback offer. But the deal gets even better because we do have this DG cashback offer for $1 back when you purchase 2, and it is giving us back a total of $2. So that's going to make your final price $3 for all 5 2 liters. You can also go ahead and clip this offer on your Ibotta account as well and see if those will double up for you. Now, I'm not saying that it will double up, but stranger things have happened. And since we have our DG accounts linked anyway, I have been going through and clipping my DG cashback offers as well as my Ibotta offers. Now, just for any newbies out there, we will always get the DG cashback offer first, but if it glitches and Ibotta gives us a little extra, hey, we are not going to complain. Now, I also wanted to make sure that everybody's aware of the home sale event going on right now. We have 50% off of the blankets, toss pillows, kitchen organization, dinnerware, kitchen and dish towels, lamps, clocks, shelving, furniture, and floral. Now, not everything is scanning or ringing up correctly, so just be careful and scan before you go up to the register. All right, up next, we have a few more DG cashback offers to go over. So, for any newbies out there, I have already uploaded a video going over everything that you need to know about DG Cash, how to earn it, how to use it, and it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So first up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Lysol. These are priced at $7.35. After the coupon, you're paying $4.35, and then we also have a $3 cashback offer as well. If both of those stack, that's going to make your final price $1.35. Next up, we have a $4.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Dollar Shave Club products. If you want to pick up the 4-count refills, those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're paying $6, but we also have a $4.50 cashback offer. So if both of those stack, that's going to make your final price $1.50. Now, this coupon is also working on the starter packs. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're paying $6, and we have a $5 cashback offer on these. So if both of those stack, that's going to make your final price just $1. All right, next up, this deal is back. I believe it disappeared from our accounts for a couple of days, but we have the Oreo ice creams. These are on sale, 2 for $4. What you want to do is pick up a total of 4 ice creams. That's going to put you at $8. You're going to pay that at the register, but we do have a DG cashback offer for $2 back. So you're going to get a total of $8 in DG cashback, making 4 ice creams completely free. Now, we also have the same deal on Ibotta right now. So you can definitely do a second transaction, pick up 4 more ice creams. Just make sure your DG account is linked. Pay the $8, get $8 back from Ibotta. Plus, right now on Ibotta, we do have a 50-cent bonus. So you should receive back a total of $8.50. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a 50-cent moneymaker. All right, and last but certainly not least, let's go ahead and talk about hidden penny items. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to another crazy couponer. She'll get that. She'll understand. She didn't leave me her name, but you know who you are. All right, girl. Thanks so much for sending in these pictures. She sent them to me over on Instagram. She found this pop shelf item at a regular Dollar General store. She was just in there randomly scanning, and it showed up for a penny, and it rang up for a penny. So she wanted to share it with us. So you guys look high, look low, scan any items that look out of place. If you see any items with pop shelf stickers, scan, because a lot of those are following the dinnerware category. So scan, look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and then come back and let us know. All right, I want to know how y'all are doing out there. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because you know I'm sneaking away today. I'm going to go get in on some of these deals, and I will definitely be reporting back. So stick around, stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you on the next one.